Hi, everyone. Welcome to the SIG meeting. This meeting is recorded and will be uploaded to YouTube. So I have the agenda. I don't think we have any items in the agenda, but one thing we could discuss is the set of features that we would like to focus on in the current release. Now being current, like 123. So I updated the spreadsheet, or like created a new tab for 123. Let me share it here. So looking at the spreadsheet, like I migrated most of the items from 122. It seems that we've mostly addressed, we addressed most of them. The only item that moved, I think, from previous version is refactoring core dependencies.
Do you mind sharing your screen so we can?
Oh, okay. Oh, did it work?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so as I was saying, the only item that seems to major item is refactoring Kate's core dependencies out of the framework. And then we have a couple of features that could graduate as well to beta. Can anyone remind us if preferred nominated node graduate to beta or not? Couldn't quite find. But it doesn't matter. Like, this one should be easy. But I know that prioritizing nodes based on one capacity did not. And I don't think we have any other features that needs graduating to beta under scheduler. Okay, so that being said, I've added the item related to V1 beta 3, which we discussed over Slack. So we have the change, changing the weights and simplifying the plugin config API. We have, this is going to require a KIP I'm planning to send out. Mike, are you interested in like executing and implementing it? This is not going to be a small change, I believe. Like, not too big, but not too small too, because it will require changes probably to the how the plugin, like you need the plugins to register themselves and extension points and whatnot.
Yeah, I'd like to help out with that.
Okay, sounds great. So then, does anyone on the call like have any concerns? Do we believe that generally we would like to go in that direction, and then just like let's wait and see the KIP and discuss the details? Do we? I just want to confirm again that this is the we agree on this.
Okay, from my side.
Go ahead.
Just okay from my side.
Okay, great. Okay, and then we have this outstanding item. I don't think we've made any progress on this one. Refactoring assume forget part into reserve unreserved. It's still an open issue. I don't know if DengSync is interested in actually pursuing this. But I'm not sure if it is something critical, or do you think it's part of overall refactoring of the core schedule code logic into the framework. Do we think that this is like a, at least this is how we see it, like it's part of that you know, goal of simplifying the scheduler, you know, logic outside the framework?
I remember that we looked at this in the past, and it was kind of low priority, not clear benefit. So if nobody's pushing for it, I think it's fine to park it.
Sounds good. So that's all I have, and they're like the ones that are I'm aware of. I'm not aware of any open issues or current discussions on, like, you know, major features. But please let me know, or like, I mean, add them to the spreadsheet, or if you want, we can discuss them now as well. I'm only aware of this like major change, which is the simplifying the plugin config and being on beta 3. Graduation and refactoring the core dependencies.
I have just one thing for the sub projects. If we can talk about that, we can talk about it offline. But for the descheduler, we're looking at adding a new API version that will allow people to configure multiple profiles, really just similar to what we have for profiles in the scheduler, kind of just copying that design. So I'll add the links into that under the current descheduler issue that was listed in there. And if anyone has any comments, they can follow the links and add to those PRs, but I'd like to move forward with that.
Sounds good. Okay. I think that's all I have. So if you don't, if nobody has anything, we can give you back 15 minutes of your time. Going once, going twice. All right. See you in 2 weeks.
See you.